Ayan, ako ay kakain muna off to Philippines. Ang hirap pala kapag mag-travel na mag-isa ka lang talaga. Wala kang kausap. My gosh, yung alam mo, dati nagka-travel kami. Laging all together with family. This time is by myself. Kasi meron talaga akong bibilhin din na napaka-importante sa Pilipinas na ako lang talaga ang pwedeng umuwi dahil sa mahal ng ticket, ano?
Standards aren't willing or unable to perform the actions possibly required of you without injury. Please notify by the military seating at this time. Thank you.
Mag-met yung sister ko sa Manila bago yung flight niya papuntang Qatar. At saka yung brothers ko naman na nasa Manila din. So, for the short day, only 4 days ang vacation ko this time. So, sa 4 days na yan, susulitin namin yung pagkakataon na maka-get together kami. Ang mahal-mahal ng 4 days na yan, ha? So, ayan. Yun nga lang, medyo nakakalungkot na travel na hindi mo kasama yung anak mo. So, ayan. Mag-isa lang talaga ako this time. So, ito yung ito yung first time na naranasan sa buong buhay ko na nag-travel na by myself. At saka yung flight na to, stop pa kami sa Palau or nasa ticket ko is Koror. So, ayan, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko doon kasi first time ko makarating doon. So, ayan nga, okay naman, safe naman yung sawa ng Diyos, safe naman yung pag-flight namin, ano? So, well, this time, ang airplane ay leaving from Guam. So, see, this is the beautiful island of Guam. So, ayan na, nasa Himpapawid na kami. Ayan, bandang dyan, nandyan ang bahay namin. Hindi nga lang makikita, no? Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan dyan. Pero bandang dyan, nandyan yung bahay namin. So, na-miss ko kagad yung mga anak ko. Buti na lang, nakakaintindi naman yung mga anak ko. Nasa 4 days na yan, hindi nila ako makakasama. Masakit din para sa akin, ano? Na mag-travel na wala sila. Kasi lalo na yung mga anak ko, lagi ko silang kasama. Sa bahay, sa store, kahit saan. Ngayon nga lang na palaki na sila ng palaki, lalo na yung panganay ko.
Friday, March 28th, we'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all of your carry items stowed until our aircraft has made it safe and complete stop at the gate area. When your captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs, we do encourage you at that time to look around your immediate seating areas, including the seat pockets in front of you and the overhead compartments of any personal belongings that you may have brought on board. Please stay cautious when opening up your compartments. Items tend to shift during the flight. When we do block into the gate area this evening, United representatives will be meeting your flight. They'll be more than happy to assist you or answer any questions should any arise. On behalf of United and Star Alliance partners and your entire flight crew, thank you for flying with us this evening. We do appreciate your business. Enjoy your stay here in Koror. Have a safe and pleasant journey to your next destination. Thank you.
I just land here in Palau. Time is like 9 p.m. I have to grab our stuff. I have to clear everything. And they're gonna clean their airplane first. And we're gonna wait here like 30 minutes. And flight going to Manila. So, ito na nga. Lalakad na si Akits papunta doon sa Auto Manila. While waiting, so ito nga pala yung Palau Art Gallery. Meron, kung mahilig kayo sa mga souvenir, meron din pala kayong mabibili galing dito habang nakaupo. At ako naman, habang nakaupo, ay kausap ko yung mabait at gwapo kong asawa. Ayan, siya yung pala yung asawa ko. Yung sinasabi ko sa kanya na, ayan, andito na ako sa Palau. Maghihintay kami dito ng 30 minutes. So, siya naman ay nagluluto ng dinner para sa aming mga anakis. Ayan, siya ay mahilig talaga sa kusina. Super hilig niya sa kusina. Ayan naman yung anak kong pangalawa. Tsaka sa likod niya, yun yung youngest namin. Ito yung youngest namin na nag-iisang Princess Pia. Ayan, intindihan naman niya ako na kailangan kong lumipad sa Pilipinas. Yung roses, sabi niya, nasira ko yung roses mo. Sabi ko, di bale. Okay lang yan. Nakakabili ka naman ulit eh.
Any smaller items.
So, ayan na nga. Papalipad na naman ito.
If you're seated in an extra row, please review the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. If you cannot meet the standards, aren't willing or unable to perform the actions possibly required of you without injury, please notify a flight attendant for reseating at this time. Thank you. That is break number UA193, continuing service to Manila. Again, as you find your seats, please throw your larger carry-on luggage in the overhead compartments. Place any smaller items under the seat in front of you. If you're seated in an exit row, please review the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. If you cannot meet the standards, aren't willing or unable to perform the actions possibly required of you without injury, please notify flight attendant for reseating. We just completed our boarding process. We kindly ask that you to take your seats, make certain your seatbelts are securely fastened. Ensure that your hand-carry articles are properly stowed either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. Large electronic devices, including laptops, must be turned off and properly stowed. Smartphones, tablets, and lightweight devices must be switched to its airplane or non-transmit mode. If you're seated in an extra row, kindly ask that you do refrain from plugging any devices into the outlets. We encourage you to open up your window shades for our taxi takeoff. Again, welcome aboard United Flight number UA193, continuing service to Manila this evening. Thank you.
Ayan na, lilipad na naman ang aming aeroplano papuntang Manila from Palau. So, ayan na. So, habang lumilipad ang aming sinasakyan, ako ay mag-watch na lang muna ng movie. Kasi mahirap matulog eh. Doon lang ako matutulog. Pagdating ko sa Manila, wala talagang tulog kasi trabaho pa ako. Tapos after trabaho, ayan, flight na. So, anyway, ayan na. So, isang oras lang din, mahigit. Galing sa, sa Palau. Papuntang Manila. So, mabilis lang talaga yung travel. Are getting closer, Philippines. Ayan. There you go. At ito na nga, nakita na natin ang Luzon. Lugar kayong nadaanan ng aeroplano. yung asawa ko ay hindi din ang Pilipinas. So, nasa abroad. So, yung buhay namin nasa abroad din. So, visit na lang sa family. Ayan na. Palapit na lang, palapit. Ito na nga. Maglalaan na ang aming aeroplano na galing Coron or Palau. We are in Manila now. Getting ready. 1, 2, 3. Boom. There you go. We're in Manila.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to Manila. Local time here, 11:41 p.m. Friday, March 28th. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all of your carry items stowed until our aircraft has made a safe and complete stop at the gate area. The captain turns off and fastens seatbelt signs. We encourage you at that time to look around your immediate seating area. Compartments for any personal belongings that you may have brought on board. Please take caution when opening up your compartments. Items do tend to shift during the flight. When we do block into the gate area this evening, United representatives will be meeting your flight. They'll be more than happy to assist you or answer any of your questions should any arise. On behalf of United,
Napaka-importante po na tayo manatili nakaupo, nakasuot ang ating seatbelt, at ang ating sasakyan ay dumating sa tamang punto ng hintuan, at ang siya napasok si bata hindi na nakailaw. Huwag lamang kalimutan tignan ng pusa sa iyong harapan at sa paligid niyo para sa iyong mga tulad-tulaan. Mag-ingat lamang po pagbukas sa mga overhead din. Kapag siya napasok si bata na hindi na nakailaw, huwag lamang po kayong tumayo malapit sa mga pintuan para makumpleto ng mga flight attendants sa kanilang pangkaligtasan na responsibilidad. Pagdating sa ating lagusan, ipabasa namin kayo sa aming airport team kung kayo ay may mga tanong o kailangan pang ibang informasyon. Sa ngalan ng United Airlines sa mga partners namin sa Star Alliance, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat sa pagtakinig niyo sa amin at sana mapaglingkuran namin kayo muli. Maraming salamat po. Pagandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Just arrived in Manila. So in the airplane. Mahaba pa yung linya namin. Clear pa kami ng form. I'm on the line for immigration. See, we don't have form this time. Probably like biometric or machine. That's what we're doing. We don't fill up form.
Ikanata nakunan ka papatayan Talimang kandang tumba sa pag-ibo Sabay sa kay galingan Dugunamit sa palitan Sa sakitan maguyagan Sa tamandan sa kapatay Naditadan makapitas Suliling ikutayan Nadidun man matsaling Sabab sa kapapatayan Igalingan ko sung papataya Bagangay sa dalapas sa sedepan Pagsikat pagubulyang sa pusong ko Sabah sa mawatang kanan Masakit ko pusong ko do pikiran Iganata na kuning ka papatayan Taliman ka nandun ba sa pagi ko Sabah sa kay galingan ko Di ka namit sa paita Susakita maguyagan Sa tamandan sa kapatay Naditadan makapitas Sulilit ni kutayan Nadidan man magsalit Sabab sa kapapatayan Igalingan ko Sasakitang maguyagan Sa tamandan sa kapatay Naditadan makapitas Sulilit ni kutayan Nadidan man magsalit
Bye for now, darling. See you later.